Hi, so I'm at TyCon here in Silicon Valley, and of all the people to bump into, who messaged me yesterday because he's seen my social media stuff, is Maddy, who's running an enormously successful business. We first met in Kerala thanks to the UK government, and I'm going to let him explain his business and how he's got here, and actually I'll ask him a few questions. But the reason I wanted to do the video is something he said, which I said, look, I've got to get this on video for DIT, for the Department for International Trade, for the UK government. So Maddy, over to you.
Hi. So I moved to the UK around 8 years ago. This is after I exited from my first company, and then I decided, that's a place I want to go. And actually watching Alpesh's videos on YouTube was one of the inspirations to move to the UK, and that's when I understood that, there were a lot of Indians there, and, I could be there, a lot of like-minded people there, and things like that. And I'm running a company here called Brew. I'm one of the co-founders here. And Brew is basically a monetization platform for podcast content creators. So we just went through Y Combinator, and things are going well. We just moved from the UK to the US like 6 months ago. So I was so happy to bump into Alpesh.
And you've got some big name investors. You said Y Combinator, but you've got some other big names as well, haven't you?
Yes, so Stripe is one of our investors, and Aaron Levy of Box is an investor. The founder of Crunchyroll is an investor, the founder of Teachable is an investor. And things have been going good for us on the fundraising part ever since we moved here.
I think we'll have to get a subsidiary set up in maybe Cambridge, which is where you study, where you were based.
Yes. So ideally, yes, the UK subsidiary would be in Cambridge because I love Cambridge. I lived there for like 5 years and really love that place, love the ecosystem and the vibrancy and the genuine people in Cambridge. So yes, definitely when we set up shop in the UK, it will be in Cambridge.
Fantastic. Thanks very much, Maddy.
Thanks, Alpesh.
All right, more later.